Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Coinspot account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Coinspot account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Coinspot application. The official page of Coinspot application will appear on the screen. Click on Login option. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your Coinspot account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot your password option. This is how you can log into your Coinspot account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.